guys, welcome back. This is Archana here. I hope you all are doing good. So, as promised, I'm back with another simple and easy mixed media project for you all. And this time, I have created a monochrome project using very easy way. So first thing first, I have to MDF base to create my project here and created stencil pattern using stencil and texture paste from Expression Craft. Now here I have used normal texture paste, that is standard texture paste from Emix, but if you want you can also go with a ground texture paste. And here you can see I haven't cover my entire project base using stencil. I just wanted random patterns on my, random stencil pattern on my project. So yeah, next that texture base is dries completely, I have covered entire project entire base using black gesso. So this step will prepare our base, and now it's time to build the composition. So first here I have added chipboard embellishment from Expressions Craft. Now here I have to background chipboard embellishment and cut it randomly and place it on the project. And I didn't want it to cover my entire project background using these chippies, so that's why I have chose to use little pieces of the chipboard. So here I have adhered these chippies using heavy gel medium, and once that dries completely I have covered it using black gesso again. So if you know me, then you might know this fact about me, that I like to cover my project step by step for better coverage. Okay, so moving on here to add a 3D look, uh, I have the resin embellishment using heavy gel medium and as well as a glue gun. So I have used embellishment whichever I found on my table here. So this project wasn't planned. I haven't planned this project in advance. I just saw some resin embellishment or some chippies and some products on my table, and I have decided to go with that. So this is how you can challenge yourself to stay motivated, to stay inspired. And yeah, here I have added a little bit more of these chipboard cutouts, because I just feel that it's looking empty around the composition. So yeah, once I'm happy with my composition, I have again cover my entire composition using black gesso. And here I have added cardboard pieces behind the frame just to give this frame a strong base. And now here it's time to add focal point, and here again to give support to these resin wings, I have used cardboard pieces behind it, as you can see here. And once I'm happy with the complete composition, I have covered entire project using black gesso. And since I'm going to keep this project monochromatic, so I choose to use a glacier lava gray chalk paint shade from the emix, and I took very little amount of paint on my sponge brush and applied it on my project using very light pressure, as you can see. And as soon as I started adding the color, all the texture and all the embellishment and whatever we have added on this project, they started coming they started popped out from the background. So yeah, that's the beauty of adding colors to the project. And to highlight my project again, here I have used another shade of chalk paint from emix, and the shade name which I used was white silk, and again added it on my project using same brush. So this way you will have nice blended look. Chalk paint gives you beautiful matte finish. So to add little shine or shimmer on the project, I have applied metallic paint snow pearl from the emix. And to apply this paint, I have took little amount of paint on my fingers and added it on the project here and there, as you can see. So this way you will get nice highlighted look, as well as little shine on the project as well. So yeah, this is how I have finished this project. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will be back with another project soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy creating.